Building a brand and identity is crucial for your online business. It's not just about a logo or a catchy name. It's about creating a unique presence that resonates with your target audience. Start by defining your brand values and mission. What do you stand for? What makes you different from the competition? Your brand identity should reflect these core principles in every aspect, from your visual elements to your tone of voice. Consistency is key, so make sure all your branding efforts align with your overall strategy. Now let's talk about setting up your website or online store. This will be the hub of your online business, where customers can learn about your products or services and make purchases. Choose a platform that suits your needs, whether it's a ready-made solution like Shopify or a more customizable option like WordPress with WooCommerce. Make sure your site is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines. Good design and functionality can significantly impact your customers' experience and your overall success. Managing logistics and shipping is another critical aspect of running an online business. You'll need to figure out how to store your products, whether it's in your home, a warehouse, or through a fulfillment service. Next, consider your shipping options. Will you offer free shipping, flat rate shipping, or real-time carrier rates? Make sure to factor in the costs and delivery times when making these decisions. Efficient logistics and reliable shipping can enhance customer satisfaction and help you build a loyal customer base. Alright, let's dive into digital marketing strategies. First and foremost, you'll want to identify your target audience. Knowing who your customers are is crucial. Next, establish a strong online presence through social media, your website, and email campaigns. Don't forget to leverage SEO to improve your search engine rankings. Paid advertising can also help you reach a wider audience quickly. And of course, always track your marketing efforts to see what's working and what isn't. Now, let's talk about managing your business finances. It's essential to keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a dedicated business bank account. Use accounting software to track your income and expenses. Create a budget and stick to it. Regularly review your financial statements to understand your cash flow. And don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor or accountant if you need help. Measuring and analyzing performance is key to your business's success. Start by setting clear, measurable goals. Use key performance indicators, or KPIs, to track your progress. Regularly review your sales data, customer feedback, and website analytics. This will help you identify trends and areas for improvement. Remember, data-driven decisions are often the best decisions. Finally, let's discuss growing and optimizing your business. Continuously seek feedback from your customers and use it to improve your products or services. Invest in training and development for yourself and your team. Explore new markets and expand your product line. Always be on the lookout for ways to streamline your operations and reduce costs.